Hey, what's good, guys? Jeff Side here. 3 days out from the Junior Nationals, going for the IFBB Pro Card. Flying out to Chicago tomorrow. Show off the shreds. So I've been cutting for about 2 weeks now. Just been eating real lean, so about 45% protein. They got the carbs real low, fat even lower. Helps me stay shredded. So tomorrow I'm flying off to Chicago. Now I'm gonna be there for about 4 days. Gonna fly back to Washington Sunday. Today's birthday, June 12th, so really appreciate all the birthday wishes, guys. It means a lot. So this morning I weighed in at 181. I'm trying to shred down to 177. I got about 3 more days to go till the competition, so might get down there. It's like 4 more pounds, so it's alright. Yesterday, so I downloaded a bunch of programs for the new Mac. Downloaded Adobe Premiere Pro, then Photoshop CS5 or CS6. Good stuff. So that's about it, guys. Stay in tune. Keep the shred going. Alright. On for all the haters out there, where the legs at? In a second. Someone say something about legs.